Your Excellency, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellencies, the Cabinet Secretaries and Governors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and fellows in Turkana. Jumbo, good morning. It is my great pleasure to join with you the fantastic event of the Turkana Culture Festival. It is really my honor. But although I'm invited as a guest, I don't feel like a guest because I was told that Turkana is the origin of humankind. It's the home of the whole humankind. So today I'm back home now. So it is not only a fabulous cultural event for me, but it is also a once-in-a-life experience for me. And in my humble opinion, that every single person of the 8 billion people on this earth, they must come to Turkana at least once in their lives. And this year, I'm from China. This year marks the 60th anniversary of the China-Kenya diplomatic relations. China was among the first countries to establish our relations with Kenya. We are very proud of that. And here in Turkana, as you can see, the main roads here in Turkana were constructed by the Chinese companies. And here, I still have a picture. Actually, this is 5 years ago when our president, Dr. William Ruto, he attended the opening ceremony for the construction of the road. So it should be remembered that President has brought us a road and a road to the future prosperity for Turkana. And I also want to thank you, the Chinese companies. You let the road come true. Thank you very much. And I'm the charge d'affaires of the embassy. Our ambassador is now on the way back to China for another very important event, Road Forum. So I want to say, it is the commitment of our embassy to further enhance the people-to-people understanding and the culture-to-culture exchange. So in the future, we are very honored and glad to visit Turkana again, to join with you, friends, fellows in Turkana. And also, I hope I can get the support from all of you. I want to introduce Turkana, our human hometown, to my fellow friends in China. So more and more Chinese people will visit this place. Thank you very much. Thank you.